Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Jane. I'm from Inside Sales, and thank you for your time to join our webinar today. So today webinar topic will be on Omaya. We will be introducing our three version of Omaya. So we have Fiza here also from our marketing team, and also Fatin from our sales team. And we also have Wada, which is our presenter today, and she is also our engineer today. So, Wada, are you ready? Wada?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, hi, I pass the floor to you then.
Okay, thank you. Mhm. Hello everyone. Good morning. I'm Miss Warda from Technical Team of Synchro Technology. Thank you for all of you that make a time to join our webinar today, Introduction of Omaya System. So did anyone here from our client or not have heard about Omaya System? Alright, if not, I will start my presentation with tell about Omaya. About Omaya, Omaya is a location-based platform that helps you understand how people move around your venue, the path that they take, choke points, entry or exit points, and even queue lengths are not only possible but also made easy with it. For example, one shopping mall that have many visitors and many stores in there. So that mall use access point device to have Wi-Fi connection, and also that AP device use Omaya software to get analytic how people behavior there. Is that they pass by, visit, or engage around that venue. So Omaya have three versions, which are Omaya Crowd, Omaya Workspace, and Omaya Vision. We will go through one by one about all these versions. Firstly is Omaya Crowd. Omaya Crowd enables you to get the most out of every inch by learning how customers move about and interact within your venue. So here, how does Omaya Crowd works? Omaya Crowd enables you to get the most out of every inch by learning how customers move about and interact within your venue. Here, the device of customer people there will will get the signal detected from the AP, and that AP device will send the signal to cloud, and the cloud get the analytic of people there and send to Omaya system. From the traditional method, traditionally to obtain the same type of analytics report it to be labor intensive using personnel and count using counter. This method is unreliable and labor intensive. The next evolution will be using our solution, be it in infrared. So from this Omaya system, the benefit of Omaya Workspace Hub for Wi-Fi Sense Mode. Omaya Crowd can utilize as low as one sensor and able to scale up for complex setup to detect triangulation for accuracy. Then the second one, Omaya Hub for line counter mode. The most inexpensive way to have crowd analytics will be line counter mode. While the data richness is lower, it provides inexpensive way to have understanding the number of crowds in and out of venue. Unlike traditional infrared line counter, our line counter utilizes two invisible lines to detect crowds in and out. Third Omaya Crowd Help for Accuracy Enhanced. Omaya Crowd enables you to identify key customers' patterns with accurately, such as visit frequency, dwell time, cross-store activity, and more. When you get the customer's journey accurately, you are always able to put your customer first. For the last one, um, Omaya Crowd Help for Privacy and Security Ensure. Our solution use high-grade encryption to ensure all data is kept safe at all times. For privacy, all our solutions are compliance of GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. This is a new generation of flexible and powerful commodity trading and risk management software, PDPA, Personal Data Protection Act, and other privacy compliance requirements. From that Omaya crowd, the data that matter, there are four, which are traffic, how's the movement in my venue? Second, loyalty. What's the ratio of new and returning users? Then engagement. How long users stay in one location? And the last one is timing. What's the peak and non-peak hour time? So our analytics report are designed to focus on key foundation data that matter for your operation. This is the view how Omaya measured from that venue. The customer that have traveled through a zone. Okay, first, how the customer travel through a zone. The customer walk into the store, and then how many customer that is first time versus repeat visitors, and which the customer visitor that pass by the location. This is the view also for the Omaya crowd for engage and likely to buy. And then how many customer that leave the store too soon, how frequency of visit by the visitor, and how much time for the customer spend in the store. So from this Omaya crowd, the measure that will help you is how does this store compare to market benchmark? How do my shoppers behave? Is that loyalty, abandonment? How my group size? Is my queue managed properly? Is my marketing effective? Which zones attract the most traffic? What is my draw rate? Is my store managing foot traffic properly? Are employees properly interacting with shoppers? And who is my shopper? So all this you will get from the analytic uh, behavior of customer in that Omaya crowd version. This and then we will move to second version, which is Omaya Workspace. Omaya Workspace Edition enables you to track, monitor, and analyze your workspace activity. It provides tracking capability on your manpower, critical asset, and visitor. So how does it work? Omaya Workspace utilizes primary BLE technology, which is Bluetooth Low Energy, widely applicable low power connectivity standards. To scan the BLE tag that is attached to personnel or assets. Wireless sensors mount onto the equipment continuously stream location data to Omaya Workspace. Then there are two applications that Omaya workspace get the data, which are first sample application. The data that Omaya workspace take is check in, check out. It will not each time personnel or asset enter or exit the space. It will help create timeline, enhance employee safety, highlight bottleneck, and get the real-time reporting. The second one help for taking stock. It will map which asset located in given time. This Omaya workspace help for count asset moving through station, keep running stock of crucial asset, and then easy for search and find. Third, it will help for monitor and analyze alert. From the record movement for analytics and automation. It will help for generate data, automatic trigger, and alerts. It will also for emergency. The high accuracy of our solutions enable organization to enable cutting edge use case with less hassle and wastage. The second application that matter for Omaya Workspace is industry application. Omaya Workspace is designed specifically for smart building, healthcare, airport, and offices. Omaya Workspace to modernize, improve efficiency and safety. From the industry logistic, Omaya Workspace give benefit in asset tracking application. It is easy to search and find. And then asset utilization and inventory, order and material traceability, and enhance employee visibility and safety. Then workspace help for business outcome is to make better decision, control throughput, improve return on net assets, and reduce lead times and improve cash flow. Second, workspace for healthcare, help for asset tracking application, easy to search and find, for staff and patient visibility and safety, then help for key asset management and inventory, also improve regulatory compliance. In business outcome, workspace will boost productivity, improve patient safety, and reduce asset management costs. There are some example of device that use BLE technology, which are first is personal card tags. Personal card tag is a button equipped IP65 compliant tag for people. This device give the badge to your employees, staff members, or visitors to track their location and movement to enable them to notify you on panic situation. This device personal card tags have LED, telemetry, button on off, height security, and height with temperature. The second device for BLE technology layered tag. Layered tag will turning any standard ID card into a smarter one. The layered tag enable contract tracing, people, visibility, and safety enhanced indoor location. It have telemetry, which is location, height with security, and shock resistance. The third device are asset tags. These track assets with robust tag with replaceable battery. Assign function on event on press of button. Small but it's powerful. It have telemetry, which is location, LED light, button on off, temperature, and height with security. The fourth is wristband tag. It will activate alarms when an employee or visitor enters a restricted area or leaves a specific location. This wristband tag enables you to locate anyone in real time and to analyze their movement in over time. Wristband tag have telemetry location. It is temper and waterproof. It also high in security, and it is can be in any temperature. The last but not least is the newest edition, which is MikroTik Note. MikroTik IoT product family Note is a truly universal device with exceptional connectivity options and protocol support. It is an IoT gateway that uses narrowband and Cat-M technology. It is a wireless with 2.4 GHz dual chain and have Bluetooth also version 5.2, and then Ethernet ports 2 times 100 Mbps PoE in and PoE out. The size of RAM this MikroTik Note is 64 MB and the storage is 16 MB flash. Alright, I have covered for the two versions of Omaya. From what I have discovered, is that any question?
So far, there is no question from the floor.
Alright, thank you, Jane. I will continue to our last version, which is Omaya Vision. Omaya Vision is an entirely separate type than other edition counterparts by utilizing visual recording and facial or body recognition capabilities when paired with video camera device. So I will show how it works. Omaya Vision works with facial scan detection, body scan detection, and clothing. The data that matter from Omaya Vision are gender, age group, unique tag, emotion, and in the future, it will have ethnic detection. From this Omaya Vision, the benefit for the body and facial recognition, it is used to search for a face in the stream of people of any density, as well as to determine people's gender and age. Create a database of photos of people, for example, VIP and blacklisted. It also receives automatic notifications to your monitor, phone or email of infiltration attempts perpetrated by people who do not have access rights. And lastly, it helps for receive information regarding gender and age of visitors in the online mode at dashboard. What is the benefits from the Omaya Vision? Firstly, it will have recognition. It is important to identify people who represent a threat to security even in a dense stream of people. The second one is action. Fast action to take the necessary action in time and depending on a registered event. The third one is blacklist. This Omaya Vision will quickly learn about a visit of VIP clients faces from a white list. Or for example, an appearance of a shoplifter faces from a blacklist in the sales or service points. And the last one is security. with the ensure the high level of security for your staff and infrastructure, improving the level of service rendered to your VIP customers. Uh, Technically, Omaya used to measure people, traffic flow, increase sales conversion, and gain customer experience. And now I have cover for all the three versions of Omaya. So it will end of my presentation. Thank you. So does anyone have any questions?
Hi, if you have any questions, you may unmute yourself or you may just leave your question in the chat box. I think there's so far no question from the floor.
Okay, if there are any inquiries that you all need from Synchro Technology, can email to us at sales@synchroweb.com or can call at us on 603-5880-5486 or can come to our office at C15 Setiawak, Persiaran Wawasan Pusat Bandar Puchong, 47160 Puchong, Selangor, Malaysia.
Okay, so if there's no other questions from the floor, then this will be the end of the presentation today. And we have another upcoming webinar which will be on 7th of September. It will be on IPCOM Cloud Management. So if you are interested, do feel free to register yourself in the uh, link provided earlier. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.